Hi, my name is Justin, and I'm an English language teacher. For many years, I have helped students to improve their accent and their pronunciation. And in this course, I want to help you improve your accent as well. Okay, I will show you how to do this. But first, let's talk about me. Who am I? Alright, so we can start with some qualifications. I have 2 qualifications to teach English. The first one is the normal one from Cambridge. Most teachers have this. The second one is a more advanced qualification for teachers who are serious about teaching English. Okay? Alright? So, what is my experience? This is a little more important. I have 7 years experience teaching English to non-native speakers, like yourself. I have taught English in 4 different countries. That includes Jakarta, Indonesia, in France, in Argentina, and of course, in the United Kingdom, in London. I have taught students between the ages of 6 all the way to 60 years old. Okay? And I have taught every type of English that you can imagine. Business English, academic English, general English. I have also even done an English for filmmaking course. I've also taught different size classes. Classes from 1-to-1 classes up to 16 students per class. So I have a lot of experience with many different types of teaching. I have also taught multilingual classes, so classes with students who don't speak the same language. And I've also taught monolingual classes, so students who all speak the same language. Okay, so that is my introduction. Those are my qualifications and my experience. All right. So let's continue. Right, let's talk about the course. What is the goal of this course? What is the end of this course? How do we say what we want from this course? Okay. There are 3 goals. Very easy. 3 words. The first word is know. We want you to know all of the small things that are important for English pronunciation. Okay. Everything that you need to know to improve your accent. So we start with information, know, knowledge. So that's the first word, know. The second word is study. Okay? In this course, we use a specific approach to studying, which is a practice approach. Very similar to exercise. Because in this course, we want you to exercise your muscles. Okay? So, we will introduce you to our study techniques. Don't worry, it's not sitting in front of a book for many hours. Okay. So, the first word is know, the second word is study, the third word, accent. That's quite easy. My job and this course, we want you to improve your accent. So to do this, we need to put the knowledge and the study together, and we will get a different type of pronunciation from you. Okay. We will make you more knowledgeable. We will give you the study habits, and then your accent will change. It will become more comfortable to speak English, and you will speak it with better sounds. Okay. So, this course, remember, is for anyone who wants to improve their accent and their pronunciation. Anybody. Beginner until proficiency. Okay. Please remember, this course is not a substitute for a teacher, a classroom, or even a language partner. I want you to use this course as a supplementary thing. So, go to class, sure, and practice with me after class. But don't tell your teacher that, oh yes, my teacher on the internet told me this. Remember that this is for practice. Okay? And everything helps. This course, your teacher, dictionary, newspaper, all of it is to help you. Okay? So, what will we look at in this course? We will start from the small pieces and continue to the big pieces. So the first small piece is called a phoneme. It's the sounds of English. The second part is words, and we will look at the stress, word stress, and also intonation, word intonation. Don't worry if you don't understand, we will explain it. So let's continue. The third, we will look at connected speech, that is linking sounds. If we put two sounds together, does the sound change? Okay. The fourth, we will look at sentences. This includes sentence stress and also sentence intonation. All right. We have a special presentation which is for weak forms. Now, don't worry about this. Again, we will explain it later, but this is very important. Okay, weak forms is very important in English. And then finally, we have a bonus section, which is tongue twisters and a few differences between the classical British and American accents. Okay, the different pronunciations. And for you to choose which do you prefer, but also for you to understand if you are listening to somebody from each of those countries. Okay, excellent. In this course, we have special icons. The first one is this little man here, and he means pay special attention. What we are talking about is very important. Okay, and then we have the little book. And this little book, very easy, homework time. Okay, so the homework at the moment is very simple. This course explains how pronunciation works. You must take the pronunciation and practice it. Knowledge and ability are two different things. You can know how to do a push-up, but maybe you can't do a push-up. So knowledge and ability are two different things. In this course, we want to put them together. Okay. So your homework for tonight is to think about this, because the homework in the future, we will put knowledge and ability together. Yes, each presentation, the pronunciation lists, the homework, all of the extra things are downloadable. If there are any problems, please let us know. Please tell us. Okay. That's it from me. Enjoy the course.